can see the result already. So I think this is really useful.
When we do half the face, I actually can see the difference.
This actually helped me quite a lot.
Because one of my issue with my face is water retention. So after doing one side, I can see that it has reduced compared to the other side.
After the session, I can obviously see like my smile wrinkle actually reduced, my eye bag also reduced.
I also feel a lot of relief from the tension I have. I think not just in my face, but yeah, around my neck as well.
Today, I actually learned a lot because from Xiaohongshu, I can't really know like where is the point and all that, right? But from here, I actually learned from the trainer like where is the point and how to do it properly, how much pressure should I put in.
My goal is to learn how to do traditional facial massage for my own self.
I have basic knowledge about facial massage. It's just that I want to know more about points, and when I saw the advert of bojin, so it actually gave me an interest that I want to learn more using washa and this bojin.
Before this, I thought only by machine we can really lift up or anything to the face. I thought only you can do by the machines. But today I get to know that only the tools are by our own, we can do it, and then we can structure what shape we want to also. I think I learned quite intensive amount from this one introduction session. For that price, and we learn a lot from there actually. Just a little amount, but we learn a lot.
How do you find the trainer?
I feel Ilo as a trainer is actually very supportive and very hands-on guide I think both of us in terms of like showing the right technique and where's the right points.
He explains clearly and very calm. He teaches thoroughly so that both of us I understand properly.
By the training, I'm really happy, and then very friendly. Milo was very friendly, and then was very grateful and happy for the class.
Explain thoroughly like how to do it, and then do on my own face so I can feel that pressure, like how should I do it, like direction and all that. And also when he do on mirror also I can see like okay how to do it correctly.